Welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering navigating imposter syndrome, overcoming self-doubt in your career and life. So let's dive in. In the ever-evolving landscape of our careers, battling the beast of self-doubt is nothing short of an enduring expedition. You're on a quest through a labyrinth of imposter syndrome, a journey to emerge stronger, more confident, and ready to seize the opportunities that await you. Our careers are like ships navigating through a vast sea of opportunities and challenges. And imposter syndrome is that unwelcome companion on our journey, whispering doubts and insecurities into our ears. But don't worry, for today we're charting a course to overcome the sneaky foe and sail confidently towards success. Let's summarize. We are exploring, finding, and navigating through imposter syndrome to overcome self doubt in our career and life. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Own your expertise, embrace your achievements and strengths. You've come this far for a reason. 2. Build a support network. Surround yourself with a crew that encourages and supports you through the highs and lows. And 3. Navigate with intention. Chart your career journey, celebrate your milestones, and mentor your mind to sail above self doubt. You're not an imposter, you're a trailblazer and navigator of possibilities. Bon voyage! These were some steps and tips on navigating through imposter syndrome, overcoming self doubt in your career and life. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering the power of mindfulness, finding balance and focus in a busy world. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.